Be vulnerable with each other and be supportive of each other's goals and ideas. Fix her hair when it needs to be fixed.
It was a spider.
It was a spider. Oh my gosh. It's a huge part of marriage, actually, in my experience.
That's why I held it in.
Standing in my own belief, swinging from the willow tree, sun is shining, spotlight over me.
Today marks the beginning of a special chapter in our lives, one that is worth every bit of celebration that will happen today. Because we are celebrating the love and happiness of two wonderful people that we all love and respect.
Two are better than one, because they have a good reward for their labor. For if they fall, one will lift up his companion. But woe to him who is alone when he falls, for he has no one to help him up. Again, if two lie down together, they will keep warm. But how can one be warm alone? Though one may be overpowered by another, two can withstand him, and a threefold cord is not quickly broken.
You look pretty.
Thanks.
Thanks for the watch.
Yeah, thanks for the jewelry.
No problem. I, Cory, take you, Katie, to be my wedded wife.
I, Katie, take you, Cory, to be my wedded husband.
Today I vow to listen to you, to respect you, and to always be honest with you.
I will be your rock when you need support, your laughter when you need a smile, and your confidant when you need a listening ear.
Our love is a journey, and I'm grateful to be taking it with you.
I promise to choose you, cherish you,
and love you so long as we share life.
Family and friends and loved ones, I am thrilled to pronounce Cory and Katie as husband and wife. Cory, please kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, I now present to you Mr. and Mrs. Cory and Katie Snowden.
Cory, you two are a tremendously dedicated worker. I realize the hours you put in at the horse farm after you put in hours at your regular job. Wonderful person, and you guys just, you're everything I would have ever hoped for. And I wish you a long and happy relationship and time.
As Cory's dad, I want you to know that I have prayed for this event for a mere 33 years, and it only took him 10 years to convince Katie to take this big leap. But Cory, I know you and Jake were extremely competitive as boys growing up, but Jake beat you by a few years on your courtship.
While I've only been married 5 years and surely don't have all the answers, I can tell you this: respect and love one another. Embrace the little moments. Find comfort in the sweet silence of each other's presence, and make peace with some of your unanswered prayers, because this life will give you some of the most beautiful things that you've ever imagined.
Cory, in all seriousness, I could not be more proud to be standing up here during one of the most important and special days in your life. You deserve absolutely every bit of happiness, and I'm so glad that you get to marry your life partner tonight. A lot of people say that not much changes after you get married, but I know from experience that your love will continue to grow if you treat it the right way. And you're marrying a really wonderful woman who I think is pretty much the perfect girl for you.
So, took 10 years to get here. Not sure why. So if you stick with us for another 10 years, we might have a kid. Patience is a virtue, and Cory, you really are an asset to our family. I love you like another brother. And Katie, love you too.
I just want to thank everyone for coming tonight and making this night so special. We appreciate you all being here, so thank you for coming.